Hey everyone, in this video we cover current affairs as on 3rd December 2021 from Nanmaya Education. The very first news we see is India and Bangladesh to celebrate Maitri Divas. The word Divas means what? Maitri Divas is nothing but friendship. So Maitri Divas is about Friendship Day. India and Bangladesh have decided to celebrate it on December 6. During the visit of Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Bangladesh in March 2021 to attend the National Day of Bangladesh, it was decided to commemorate 6th December as Maitri Divas. That is already, as already said, it is Friendship Day. So, 10 days before revelation of Bangladesh, India has recognized Bangladesh on 6th December 1971. India was the first country to establish bilateral diplomatic ties with Bangladesh. So, this day is considered as a Friendship Day, that is Maitri Divas. There are 18 countries around the world Maitri Divas as being commemorated. One is Belgium, Canada. There are 18 countries. So, the 18 countries are Belgium, Canada, Egypt, Indonesia, Russia, Qatar, Singapore, UK, Australia, France, Japan, Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, South Africa, Switzerland, Thailand, UAE and USA. Abiding friendship between the people of India and Bangladesh that have been forged in blood and shared sacrifices. So the next news we see is Geeta Gopinath to replace Okamoto as IMF's number 2 official. IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. Chief Economist Geeta Gopinath take over from Geoffrey Okamoto as the number 2 institution officially. This is going to be an historic moment when IMF has the female at first 2 leading position. So this is a pride to all female that one of the leading position is holded by 2 females of IMF. The first woman to serve as IMF chief economist had said in October she is planned to rejoin Harvard University in January to retain an tenured facility post after 3 years of public service. So IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. IMF International Monetary Fund is framed on 27th December 1945. Headquarters of IMF is in Washington. There are 110 countries in this 110 countries included in IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. Chief Economist Geeta Gopinath from Indian origin. The next news we see is Himachal Pradesh police honored with President's color. Himachal Pradesh police has conducted the President Colors Award ceremony at Shimla Historic Ridge Ground. President Color Award is the state police on this occasion. DC Director General of Police Sanjay Kundu has received the award. Himachal Pradesh Police is India's 8th state force to receive this honor. President's Color is a special achievement demonstrating that the state police rank highly in the service of humanity, performance, professionalism, integrity, human rights protection and other factors. Points to be remembered is this President Color is an award. So this year it has been honored to Mr. Director General of Police Sanjay Kundu. This award is for service of humanity, performance, professionalism, integrity, human rights, protection and other factors. So these are the things to be noted. In this award. So this award goes for Sanjay Kundu. Next news we see is India joined the G20 Troika with Indonesia and Italy. India has joined G20 Troika will work closely with Indonesia and Italy to ensure the consistency and continuity of G20's agenda. Apart from India, Troika consists of Indonesia and Italy. India will assume a G20 presidency in December 2022 from Indonesia and will convene the G20 Leaders Summit from the first time in 2023. Troika refers to the top grouping within G20 that consists of the current and previous and incoming presidencies like Indonesia, Italy and China. So next news we see is Crowned Women of the Year by World Athletics is it is a pride for India. Legendary Indian athlete Anju Bobby George has been bestowed with the Woman of the Year award of World Athletics for grooming talent in the country and for advocacy of gender equality. In 2016, she formed a sports academy for young girls. Through this, she has helped India advance in sports and also inspire more women to follow in her footsteps. She is also presented with the award of advocating gender equality. Anju, the only Indian to have won a medal in the World Championship with the long jump bronze in 2003 edition. So points to be remembered is she is the only Indian to won the medal in World Championship with the long jump bronze in 2003 edition. She also got an award for gender equality and she has formed a sports academy for young girls on 2016. So this award is Woman of the Year award by World Athletics. The next news we see is this day. This day is celebrated World Day of Handicapped. That is 3rd December of 2021. World Handicap Day, also known as International Day of Persons with Disabilities, is observed every year on 3rd December globally. The day is marked and observed to support critical issues which are related to the inclusion of a person with disabilities. So this day is proclaimed in 1992 by the United Nations General Assembly. The theme of the World Day in 2021 is Leadership and Participation of Persons with Disabilities. So the day is celebrated to promote right and well-being of persons with disabilities in all spheres of society and development and to increase awareness of the situation of a person with disability in every aspect of political, social, economical and cultural life. Point to be noted is this IDPWD is proclaimed in 1992. Theme of 2021 is leadership and participation of person with disability. This day, World Day of Handicapped, is celebrated on 3rd December of 2020.